Wizard. 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 Noun. Definition: a man who has magical powers, especially in legends and fairy tales. Example: to do that he requires a rod of dragon control, and hopes to get his hands on the one the Empress uses to control gold dragons, offsetting the magical power of the wizards. Noun. Definition: a help feature of a software package that automates complex tasks by asking the user a series of easy-to-answer questions. Example: a website can have novice users, and a wizard makes complex tasks seem easy. Adjective. Definition: wonderful, excellent.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.